Welcome friends, thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Today's video is another open house video here in the Villages, Florida. This is located in the Village of Polo Ridge. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom ranch style home. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome friends, thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's open house video is located here in the northern part of the Villages, in the Village of Polo Ridge. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home with a 2-car garage. It does have a cement driveway. As always, please contact either the listing agent, Debbie and Lee, or the showing agent, Riley Mills, with Realty Executives. This is the front of the home. This home is located on a corner lot. You can see the very large yard and the corner lot. This home is list priced at $375,000. It has many upgrades. Let's go inside and take a look. It has a very nice porch area here in the front of the home, with cement patio. Let's take a walk inside. Hello Riley, how are you?
Good, how about yourself?
I'm doing great.
Good. I'll give you some information about the home, let you look around. This is an Amarillo model. It was built in 2000. It's 1527 square footage. It's a true 3-bedroom, 2-bath. The roof was replaced in 2018, the HVAC in 2020, and the water heater in 2018 also. There is no bond. It sits on a large corner lot in the Village of Polo Ridge, so it's very convenient to the 466 corridor, which is going to provide you with a ton of shopping, dining, medical, retail, etc. And you're very close to Lake Sumter Landing as well.
Okay, very good, Riley. I'll take a walk through. I'll describe what I see.
Okay.
If we have questions, as always, I'll leave your contact information.
Okay, very good. Just to make you aware, though, the home is plumbed for gas, so the water heater and the air handler, the furnace are going to be running on gas, but the range is electric at this point.
Okay, very good. I do appreciate that.
Yes, sir.
Here I'm standing in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this luxury vinyl plank floor. This looks new, or newer. And it's very light and bright. As I pan around the room, I do see very high cathedral ceilings with acoustic texture. I do see a 4-season lanai in the back of the house, too. Off to the left, I do see a guest quarter. This is a split bedroom design home, where the master bedroom is located on the opposite side of the home as the guest quarter. On this side of the home, you will see 2 bedrooms and a bathroom for the guests. This bedroom is in the back of the home. It's very light and bright in this home. This bedroom does have a closet with bifold raised panel doors as well. You can see this luxury vinyl plank goes throughout this home. This is the guest bathroom. The guest bathroom has a fiberglass or plastic tub module. Does have vinyl floors. Has one sink in it with a Formica countertop. Very light and bright. Lots of nice neutral colors in this house. You can see that the luxury vinyl plank continues in this guest bedroom, which is located in the front of the home. You can see the closet in this guest bedroom. Very nice. This home is list priced at $375,000. It is in the Village of Polo Ridge. There is fresh paint on the walls as well. Let's take a walk back out into the lanai area and the backyard. I'll take a panoramic view of the backyard. Do you know which way this house is facing?
Yes, it's front, the front exposure is west, so you got the sun.
Okay. So this lanai is facing east. It is a 4-season lanai. It's temperature controlled. You can see the heating ducts in the ceiling on this lanai. Very bright. Lots of windows. Large corner lot. I do notice that there is a birdcage patio outside of the 4-season lanai. Let's take a look at what that birdcage looks like. Oh, it's not a birdcage at all. It has a wood ceiling. It is screened in. It has painted cement. Very nice. This is even better than a birdcage because it keeps you shaded in here. Let's walk out to the backyard. Again, the back of the home is facing east. Here's another small patio area with paver stones, paver blocks. This is the backyard facing east. This is the backyard facing north. This is a large corner lot. And this is the side yard of the home. That roof has been replaced in the last several years. Please check the specification sheet for all of the particulars on this home. You can also contact the showing agent, Riley, if you have additional questions. Thanks for liking my videos. Thanks for subscribing. Next, I will take a look in the kitchen and see what the kitchen has to offer. Here we are panning off into the kitchen. The kitchen does have tile floors. It has oak cabinets, Formica countertops, a 2-bowl stainless sink. It has an electric range, but I believe there is natural gas in this home. This is panning off into the living and dining room area. Very nice, neutrally decorated home. Next, I'll go into the laundry area. It is indoor laundry with tile floors. That will be the door that leads out into the garage. Let's take a walk out into the garage. This laundry area does have a sink. Here is the garage. It has a painted cement floor. It is a 2-car garage. This is a wood-framed home. And we just measured the length of the garage. It is 23 feet from the garage door to that wall. Let's take a walk through the rest of the home. We do have the master bedroom to show you. I'll walk into the master bedroom next. Here's the master bedroom. This is a split bedroom design. You can see the vinyl plank floors are continuing. It does have acoustic texture ceiling. Very wide base molding in this home as well. Master bedroom does have a walk-in closet. Let's take a look at the walk-in closet. The vinyl plank floors continue in the walk-in closet. You see there's additional materials on the shelves from the new floor that was put in. This is the master bathroom. Has 1 sink in it. Very nice, light and bright. The shower appears to be a 36-inch shower. It is a tile shower. And has glass sliding doors as well. That's your shower right there. Glass sliding doors. There is a space for the commode. The vanity is oak. It does have a small closet here in the bathroom. Very nice home, light and bright. Next, I'll walk out and to give you one last panoramic view of the living and dining room areas and the kitchen. Very nice home, very high cathedral ceilings, neutrally decorated, neutral paint. Let's take a walk out to the street. I'll give you a panoramic view of the street. Here we are walking out to the street. This home is a wood-framed home located in the Village of Polo Ridge. This is very close to County Road 466 and shopping. Here is a very large corner lot that it's on. As always, please contact either the listing agents, Debbie or Lee, and there's their contact information, or you can contact Riley Mills, who is the showing agent today. I will video the specification sheet. Here I'm walking out to the street. This is facing west. The front of the home is facing west. As I pan this way, that would be facing south. That is your home right there. 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom. And this would be facing north. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I really do appreciate you liking my videos. Take care, everybody. Have a great day. Thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel. This is the specification sheet for 600 Ellsworth Way. List price $375,000. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home located here in the Village of Polo Ridge. Feel free to pause the video at any time to read the specification sheet. Here are the room dimensions. The living room is 15.4 by 10.11. The HOA fees are $195 per month. Thank you for watching this video of an open house here in the Village of Polo Ridge. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom ranch home located here in the Villages, Florida. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Take care, everybody.